uMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa usemkhiphe ngokusemthethweni uAdvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane esikhundleni sokuba umvikeli womphakathi waseNingizimu Afrika ngokuka section 194 womthethosisekelo. Ngezizathu zokungawenzi umsebenzi wakhe ngendlela kanye nokuhluleka ukuziphatha. Lokhu-ke kulandela ukuvota kwamalungu ePhalamende mayelana nalo lolu daba nokugcine abangu-218 bevota bethi akakhishwe esikhundleni. Kodwa uAdvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane uthi angeke ahlale ngasiphonseli inselelo zesinqumo.
I will exercise my rights as the citizen of this country. The Constitution also protects me, and the process was finalized without me completing my testimony, without me having to, having legal representation.
Usihlalo leli komidi uQubudile Dyantyi uthi balindele noma ngabe yiziphi izinselele zomthetho ezizobe ziphonswa uMkhwebane.
Anybody who is not happy with this, they have got the right to go to any platform, including courts, but I'm very confident that the comprehensive work we have put in that report, tomorrow or any other day, whether it is the High Court, whatever court, they will find in our favor.
Amaqembu EFF kanye ne-African Transformation Movement bathi bazowuthatha lo mbiko ochitha uMkhwebane uyobukezwa enkantolo.